Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So as we can see here, the location has changed. We've switched it up a little bit, but alas, we continue. We're going to jump straight into today's video. I'm going to be giving you guys a few quick tips on how I maintain my box braids. Tip number 1. I use and have been loving these rubber elastic things, so they just sort of curl up. That's what I've been using for pretty much the duration of my hair because it's just quick, it's easy, you don't need to tie it up or anything. You can just put it in and it'll stay, so you're not causing any more tension. Tip number 2. Remember your satin bonnet that you love and adore for your natural hair? Well, it's not going to work for your box braids. It'll be uncomfortable and it will hurt your neck and it doesn't protect your edges. Get rid of the satin bonnet and say hello to your satin scarf. It's easier to tie your satin scarf at night than it is a bonnet because you can really control where your hair is going to be, control your edges, and control the amount of tension that you cause. This makes sure that your hair doesn't swiggle around and do whatever it pleases as you sleep. Tip number 3, oils. It's easier to use oils on your hair than it is to use something such as sheer butter, which is very heavy. Because your hair is in box braids, you don't wash it as much and you actually don't maintain it as much. So it's better for you to use oils that will not cause product buildup or cause you to have dandruff, because oils such as jojoba oil just get soaked up really quickly into your scalp. And of course, your hairline. There's no box braid video without talking about your hairline. You need to make sure that as you oil your scalp, you also look after your hairline. And I put Jamaican black castor oil on my hairline at least 3 to 4 times a week, just on my hairline, and massage it in before I sleep. Tip number 4. Everybody loves some slayed edges. Everybody loves their edges to look on fleek, all nice and laid. After applying your gel and you've gone through your day and you've come back home, obviously you can't wash your hair every night, but what you can do is just get your spray bottle and wash off that area where you put gel, just so you don't have product buildup and you don't cause any damage on your hairline due to product buildup. Getting rid of that gel is really essential, not just for your hair, but also for your skin. You don't want that type of stuff just sitting on your skin every single day as you apply more and more without rinsing it off. And tip number 5, if your hair has gotten to this point where mine is at, that means 2 things. It means 1, you need to undo your hair sometime soon. Obviously, I have exams coming up, so I don't really have that type of time. But 2, it also means no more updos. You can't be putting your hair in high buns or anything along those lines because you'll cause damage and you'll cause a lot of traction and pulling on your hair. So make sure that you wear your hair down until you're ready to take it out. And that means soon, guys. So yeah, that's the end of the video. It was a quick one this week, but I hope you guys have liked this video. Make sure to comment down below what your tips are for maintaining your box braids, and make sure to like the video if you like the video. And I'll see you guys next week. Love you guys so much. Mwah.